Hello folks, recently I ordered this mouse from Amazon, so let's unbox it and check. This is invoice receipt, let's keep it aside. Let's remove bubble wrap. Box packing is pretty decent, with gaming mouse written in the front. This hexagonal pattern looks pretty cool. On both sides Arctic Fox branding is done. On backside some details are specified, like manufacturing date, customer care number, email, price, etc. Here price is specified 599 rupees. I'll let you know at what price I bought this. It supports up to 3600 dpi resolution. It has breathing LED lights, rubber soft surface grip, and it is compatible with Mac, Windows and Android. This is Make in India product, and this mouse comes with 1 year replacement warranty. Now let's open and check the mouse. As you can see, mouse comes in simple plastic pouch. As mentioned on the box, it has rubber soft grip on the top. On the side it has plastic material with some design. This side also plastic. It has two mouse buttons, one scroll button and one DPI button. Cable is not braided, but it is made up of good quality plastic. USB adapter is simple metallic, not gold plated as some gaming mouse has. Once you connect it with computer or laptop, you can see cool RGB light effects. You can see cool looking Arctic Fox logo in the front. Now talking about review, this mouse I bought from Amazon for 245 rupees. This is the cheapest gaming mouse. Even though it is the cheapest mouse in the gaming mouse segment, I didn't see any compromise made in its build quality. Packing is done nicely, good ergonomics design, lights are nice. About lights, you can't control lights, so lights keep simply changing. It has 4 DPI settings through which you can change the speed. I tried checking, but DPI values are not specified anywhere on the box. Maximum is up to 3600. It is made in India, so you might get satisfaction of buying an Indian product. Scroll button is textured and works well. Now talking about its negative side, only thing disappointed me are these click buttons. Click sound are little weird, means it doesn't click properly. Sometimes it skips the click. Also it doesn't have two additional buttons which gaming mouse has. So while playing, I think it might affect gaming performance a little. Not drastically, but slightly. I am not a gamer, so it's fine for me. This mouse is best for normal user. Rest all are good. For a normal user, I would highly recommend this mouse. For gaming, I would say if your budget is tight, then you can go for it. Otherwise, if you have luxury of spending few more bucks, then go for the mouse with additional buttons. It will definitely make the difference. Hope you like this video. Do subscribe and comment. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.